and welcome to my another tutorial. Today we are going to design this model. This is a 3D model and the isometric has been given. So we will start this tutorial from the front view. As I told you earlier, in any drawing, in any model, you have to see the side where you will design the maximum portion of the model. So in this front view, we will cover the maximum portion of the model. So let's start. Select the front plane. And in the front plane, we will draw this geometry. And the origin is important portion. So we will start from this origin, and the first line is 45. So first line near about 45 millimeter. Then some vertical distance and some extra. Then click. Will come to this, and then again taper. And click and the start click. So we have drawn this approximate. Now we will take the rapid dimension and dimension this model. First of all, this one is 45. Enter. And then this is 30. Select this line, and the vertical distance, horizontal distance of this line is 27 millimeter. And 8 is at this distance. This portion, the start point and the end point. Select and click here. The vertical distance is 8 millimeter. And now we will draw the upper portion. So take a line, and line will start from here, and this goes up to this level, and then it will be perpendicular to the first line. Now I will take the geometrical constraint, and I will take the perpendicular constraint, and these two lines will be perpendicular to each other, and this dimension will be 55, and OK. Let's draw one more line, and this is for my reference only, and this line is the center of the lower circle, and 48 is the diameter. So click and click. So the difference between these two lines will be 48 divided by 2 means 24. And now we will convert the extra lines into reference line. Click over the line and convert to reference. Click over the line and convert to reference. Click over the line and convert to reference. Some dimension still remain. The thickness of this portion is not given, so we will assume it as a 5. Take this 5 unit and convert it to 5. Close. two dimensions still remain, and one is the angle between these lines. Go to angle dimension, okay, and the angle will be 30. Okay, one dimension remain, 8, and this one will be 5, and open close. Our sketch is fully constrained. Now we will finish the sketch and extrude our profile. Extrude it, and we will extrude it 48. And I will take symmetrical value so that it will extrude symmetrically on the both end, and the 48 is the extrusion height, so I will divide by 2, so 24, and okay. This portion is a circular, so I take edge blend and I will define the radius 24, and I select the both corner, and it will convert into radial portion, cylindrical portion. It looks right, and again I will take the front view. Go to sketch and select the front view. Okay, the same what we have drawn earlier, we will draw the same, we will do the same. Approximately I will click here, the sketch has been drawn. Now we will dimension it or define geometrical constraint. Perpendicular, first of all I will define the perpendicular constraint, and now define the dimension. Angular dimension, the angle between this and this will be 30, and close. Now my sketch is fully constrained. Finish it. Now I will extrude it 30, and for symmetrical value I will take it 15 as 15 or finish. Now I will fillet it 15 is the radius, because 30 is the diameter, then 15 will be the radius of this portion. Now something it is not look properly. 55 is the center of this circle, so I have to change 55 plus 15, it means 70, distance will be 70, and then finish. All changes will come automatically. Now it's like our geometry. Now I will sketch on this face. I will take this circle. I will draw circle of 24 diameter, and again 4 circle with some smaller I think diameter has not been defined, so I will take diameter of 2 and click here, and again click, here. Now I will dimension it. The distance between this and the center of this is 10, and the distance between these both circles is 20, and the horizontal distance between these is 5, and close. I will select the both circle and mirror it with the vertical axis, with reference to vertical axis. Now finish the sketch. Hide the previous sketches, and I will select extrude point, and I will cut all the circle throughout. Throughout all select the dimension. So it is very easy to draw. Hope you understand properly. Thank you for watching. See you again with my next tutorial. Thank you.